Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create an object and access the specifiers, and then assign a value and then display the attributes of an object using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. I would like to shout out my 3 avid subscribers who are always watching my videos: Sir Ernel, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Robelin. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly leave your name in the comment section of this video and then put shout out. I really appreciate your support by watching, subscribing, sharing my videos in social media. So if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I would like to inform everyone that I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program because some of my subscribers or viewers are asking what type of C++ development I'm using. So most of the time I'm using Dev C++, sometimes code blocks, only two, or rare, online, So Dev C++ can be downloaded in their website for free. Okay, what is good about this compiler and integrated development is that it is very small, and then it can run in any computer regardless of its specification. Okay, here when we are learning about C++, one of the advanced topic to be learned is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is not only creating an object, but also the main purpose of object-oriented programming is to organize our code to make it easier to understand and code reusability. Especially we are working in a company, working in a team, or several developers, programmers, or software engineers. So it can cut down a big amount of time in terms of development once we are using object-oriented approach in programming. Okay, so in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create an object. Objects are very important as the fundamental concept of object-oriented programming. We have an object, its attributes or properties, okay, and then we have also some behavior. But in this example, I will just teach you the very basic. Okay, so we have here sharp include iostream. This command in C++, we are including a library file. IO means input output streaming command in C++ for input output. That's in line number 1. Line number 3, using namespace std. It is a standard command in every C++, before you can use console out or console in. Line number 5 up to line number 10, where we declare a class. In this example, I have here a person, and then begin curly left curly bracket, and then we have your public access specifier. Once we declare a public, any variables that we declare or attribute inside the public can access anywhere in our C++ program. In this case, we have 3 variables, namely int, age, integer. When we say integer, we are referring to a data type that can only accept whole number, positive, negative number. And then we have 2 string, persons underscore name and string address. When we say string, it is also a data type that can store continuous list of characters. So we have persons underscore name and address, and then we close our class. Next, we have here int main. It is a function in every C++ program that our compiler searches and execute. When we are done running our program, the main function is also terminated. So it has two basic usage: execution of the program and termination of our program in C++. We have here begin, and then persons, we call our class, and then here we create an object. The name of our object here is male. Actually, we can specify any name of our object if we want to, but in this example, I called it name. And then we have here line number 16, a new line, and then the title of our program, console out how to create an object in C++, new line. Line number 19 up to 22, we are accessing the attributes and set of values. Male age, I specify 43, male dot persons underscore name. So male is the object, equals, I assign the name of the person, John de la Cruz, and then male dot access the specifier here, address Ilay City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. After we access the attributes and set the values here in line number 20 up to 22, we will display the attributes and its corresponding values. So we have your person's name, male dot persons underscore name in line number 25. In line number 26, we have here person's age, male dot age, years, and then lastly person's address, male dot address, return 0, return to operating system, and then we close our program in C++. At first, if you are new in C++ object-oriented programming, you may find this part confusing if you don't understand the concept. But once you are continuing writing small programs using object-oriented approach, gradually you will already absorb the concept easily, and then it will be secondary by nature. Without knowing it, you know already how to write object-oriented with a breeze. It takes a lot of understanding and experience to be comfortable working with object-oriented programming, not only in C++ but also other programming languages like Java, C#, Python, or PHP. Okay, so after which we will execute our program. We will go to execute. We compile first to checking for syntax error and run. Okay, we have here the output, how to create an object in C++. Person's name, John de la Cruz. Person's age, 43 years old. Person's address is Ilay City, Negros Occidental. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create an object in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video and enjoy also learning. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Before we end, if you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with the newly uploaded video, and then don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. By subscribing, you help me a lot in growing my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.